Don't flood this thing.
Probably not getting sparked.
Oh, what the?
Yo, this is lit. All right, go, 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 go. Arnold, go.
My man's got his header on and he's ready to start this thing up with no oil, no fuel, no gas tank in the car. He just wants to turn it over once. This guy is so excited. There's no oil in there.
It doesn't matter. We're gonna start it today.
This guy's, I thought you were joking. This man is not joking. Oh my gosh, bro. This guy got a little too excited.
Next week we'll get it started.
Next week it might start. All right, so we're back to working on the E30. The goal for today is to get the driveline in, and then you got some new coilovers, right?
Yes, sir.
Hopefully we get those installed today, and then we're gonna be one step closer to getting this thing on the ground and rolling around under its own power. So that was the first fuel up, right?
First fuel up ever.
Ever. Got the fuel tank in, got the fuel pump in. This is gonna be, I guess, the leak test. Looks fine to me. All right, let's see if we hear the fuel pump.
Oh yeah. Feel it?
Oh yeah, we got fuel, baby.
What?
I turned it
Feel
off
it.
right away. It just keeps going, it does a full thing.
But I dump all the damn fuel out.
All right, so it's the next day. I wasn't here, but they got this thing to run. So what was the problem?
First problem, wiring under the steering column.
I told you.
ignition.
I told you there was a
one freaking
bird's
wire
nest.
Was disconnect. No, it was one wire that was disconnected.
Which one? Yeah, there was a whole bird's nest down here. I knew it had something to do with this wiring.
So literally, one of the wires is disconnected. It's connected that, so it started turning over. It would fire off with starting fluid. Couldn't get it to fire with
The fuel
its
pump.
own, yeah. So swap the lines to start firing off on its own, but it would only run for a second. I guess the new fuel pump is shit. So we threw in the Walbro 255.
You bought a new fuel pump and it didn't work?
No, yeah, the new one that I bought it a while ago. I bought it so long ago. So I threw the old one back in, the Walbro 255, and it literally fired right off, and it runs by
All
itself.
right, let's hear it. This is gonna be my first time hearing it. All right. Did you make sure you had enough oil in that thing?
Oh yeah, I checked it before.
Hey, you got it started. Proud of you.
Hey, we did it before the end of the year.
We did.
That's all that
We
matters.
said we were gonna have it running before the end of the year. It's kind of running. It's not on the ground yet, but
I mean, it's running. It's not.
we still
driving.
have some time. We still have like a week. All right, we'll continue, I guess, when you get more parts, and maybe we'll get this thing on the ground.
For sure.
Several days later.
All right, so we're on the way to pick up Eddie's. I don't know, what is this? A keeper?
Yeah, this
Forever
is a
car?
keeper. Yeah, this is a keeper.
This is a keeper car.
Well, it depends on the condition.
Yeah.
The guy didn't lie to me. It's a keeper.
Yeah.
It's trash. I might just flip it.
So the car is coming from California.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be delivered right now. So we're just gonna go pick that up. But this dude, man, gets the E30 fired up and just moves on to the next car. We didn't even get it driving yet, bro.
I'm good at acquiring projects. I'm not good at finishing them.
Yeah, we can tell. But yeah, this thing is, from what we've seen and heard, it's pretty clean. It passed inspection, everything checked out. Now we're gonna, see for ourselves if the dude wasn't lying.
Yeah, about to find out.
And if he wasn't, this thing is staying for forever probably, huh?
Yeah, and so we get it up to like the E30 M3 prices, like 100K, then maybe we'll see.
All right, we're almost there. I spotted the car. We see it. We see it. Oh, it's literally coming off the trailer right now. All right, you guys ready to see it? Hey, white is right, boy. Thing looks clean. All right, so there's this ramp that's out here behind the Tractor Supply store. And I guess this is what we're using to unload it. So it's actually a little higher than the trailer, than the gooseneck that they have. So I'm not sure if this is gonna work.
No, it'll work. I just need to find something. You might have one.
This is too funny though. They literally just have a ramp chilling out here and people always come and use it to load and unload cars. It's kind of clutch. First thoughts.
Oh, didn't
Didn't even get to look at it yet. I like it though. Looks clean. The body looks straight. It's white.
White is right.
It's a pass in my book. Ooh, look at those Vaders. Interior looks minty. Dude, that was so sketch. All right, power seats, baby. Oh, dude, this thing is clean. Oh my goodness. I'm not a BMW guy, but I wouldn't mind something like this for sure. We'll talk a little more about it once we get to my place. This guy's straight to wash and it's like 30 degrees out here.
Bro, this thing is dirty. Getting off the trailer?
No, you're right, you're right. It is a little dirty, but damn, doesn't this look good in my driveway? Look at that, it matches. I think this is what I've been missing. If you know me, you know I'm not a fan of German cars in general, but this will be an exception. I'll take an E36, I'll take an M4. That's about it.
What about an M3? Like an F80. You'd take one of those too.
Yeah, I would, you're right.
It's not that you don't like German cars, you just don't want to spend that much.
It's that I don't have the patience for things always breaking down. I just like reliability, so that's the only reason I don't like German cars. That's literally all it comes down to. But I have Eddie for that. He can take care of all the issues I have with my German cars, right? Are you gonna work on my E36 M3 if I get one?
I mean, if you work on like my my R34 Skyline, yeah.
Sure, I'm down for that. All right, so here's Eddie's new E36 M3. What do you have to say about it?
I love it so far.
He loves it.
It didn't break yet.
It didn't break yet. It's only the first day, but yeah, this thing is super mint. He found this thing on Craigslist, hit the guy up 30 minutes after it was posted, right?
Yeah, I was supposed to for like 30 minutes. I hit him up and literally I could not get this guy on the phone. I texted him, I emailed him, I left him a voicemail, I literally called him multiple times. He didn't pick up. And I guess it turns out there's like a storm in Los Angeles.
A rainstorm.
Yeah, like a crazy one.
LA can't handle a rainstorm.
Yeah, right. So pretty much, and he lives like in the hills, so his service he only has through Wi-Fi. Like he doesn't have actual cell service there. So literally he hit me back like 4 hours later. I thought it was sold at that point because he didn't reply. I was like, this is a steal. But sure enough, got the guy on the phone, got
here
the
she
deal
is.
done. Yeah.
And we got her. So yeah, I got delivered from California today. Overall, this thing is super mint. If you've been in the market for an E36, you know that they've skyrocketed, just like everything else. I guess the S2000 skyrocketed as well.
Yeah.
But yeah, finding a clean one like this for a decent deal is actually pretty tough. But I think Eddie did a good job. You want to tell him how much it was posted for?
It's posted for $12,900.
And
Which is a steal in this market.
and you got it for
$12,900. He was not gonna budge. He had like 40 people hitting him up.
Yeah.
Like I just got lucky. I was one of the first ones. And
Yeah.
I kind of got them locked in right away. So
Yeah, so pretty good deal. 12.9 might seem like a lot for an old car like this, but it really isn't, because they're only going up. And a few years, maybe 5-10 years down the road, we don't know what this thing's gonna be worth, but I guarantee it's gonna be more than 12.9.
oh, it's gonna be like the E30 M3 hopefully.
E30 M3. It was an older guy that owned it. He took real good care of it. He was super honest with Eddie. Let him, do a full inspection on it. Everything checked out.
It's funny, the guy actually found a few issues when the inspection was getting done. He had them fix it. He literally had the issues fixed that they found at the PPI, which is dope.
Yeah.
He was like super honest. He's like, I want the car to be exactly how I described it.
Yeah, he didn't.
Sure enough, it is.
He didn't have to do any of that, but
He didn't. He spent like literally over $1,000 just getting like, he did like a Valkyrie
that's a good seller right there. You always want to buy a car from a dude like that.
Yeah, I was so shocked, but
Yeah.
definitely a nice guy. Good
Yeah.
transaction, quick and easy.
Yeah, this thing is clean though. Interior, I don't know if you could see, but yeah, the seats are super clean. These were, I guess, reupholstered, but honestly, I didn't know. I wouldn't be the person that could tell, so they did a real good job. He let Eddie know that they were reupholstered, but they honestly look brand new to me. This thing has 180,000 miles, which isn't much.
I mean, it seems like a lot, but like for these cars, I mean, it's still good money.
Yeah, it sounds like a lot, but for an older car like this, it's totally
Being
normal.
a 22-year-old car.
Yeah, 22 years old, 180K, that's not bad. But yeah, this is a 1999 original Alpine white, which is my type of spec. I approve. If I was to get an E36, this is exactly what it would be. This thing is gonna be sick. But yeah, it's gonna be a garage queen,
Yeah,
OEM
for sure.
plus build.
Yeah, just coil over some different wheels, and we're gonna keep it as stock as possible.
Yeah,
They're hard to find clean these days, so.
yeah. This guy got the E30 fired up and then goes and buys an E36 M3.
Speaking of the E30, we got some updates tomorrow coming, so.
All right. We got some more parts for the E30, so we'll get back to that tomorrow. But yeah, that's gonna be it for the E36 M3 for now. I don't know if we're gonna film any more videos with it unless we do some part installs. We'll see how things go, but for now, the focus is back onto the E30, right?
Yep.
Let's do it.